Welcome back to our channel. Is bullying a strictly human behavior? As it turns out, not so much. Here are 6 animals who live to pick on others. Dolphins. Which is it? That the smarter an animal is, the meaner it can be. Take dolphins for an example. On any other point of comparison, dolphins are incredible, fascinating, and heartwarming creatures. But when they want, they can put the movie Mean Girls to shame. Oftentimes, the ones taking the brunt of their aggression are actually sharks. You don't think of sharks being pushovers, but if given the choice of whether or not to confront this particular bully in the grand playground that is the ocean, sharks will hightail it out of there. Dolphins enjoy antagonizing sharks, if not outright attacking them by ramming into them with their noses or bodies. If it swims away successfully from this encounter, the shark will walk away with more than a bruised pride. On its own, a dolphin is still mighty, but in a group which is called a pod, that's some mafia behavior right there. Numerous occurrences that have been observed include a pod of dolphins throwing around a baby shark between each other, slapping around little fish, and tossing a puffer fish for fun. Nature is wild. Orcas have also been found to display similar behavior, only they do it with humans. They've been known to stalk after fishermen for miles, even one following a vessel for 70 miles. They apply the same old take their lunch money method, waiting for fishermen to set their trap before lunging for whatever they catch. Wolves. Wolves are one of the animals who are known to harass each other for the fun of it. However, wolves are also somewhat of an anomaly among bullies, and we use the term bully very relatively here. It's a rare occasion when wolf packs attack other packs. No, they're more likely to target the members of their own packs. If you've seen Twilight or anything werewolf related, you've probably heard of the wolf pack hierarchy. Most notably, you've probably already heard of what an omega is. Omegas live at the bottom of this hierarchy. Their job is to act as a stress reliever. The weakest member of a pack, the weakest link, is routinely harassed by its pack. Usually the alpha wolf starts it, and a frenzy ensues. Animals deal with being picked on a little differently. To survive the encounter, the bullied wolf must show submission, which it does in the form of exposing its throat and belly or by running away. But it comes right back and even instigates play again. Ducks. Yes, even ducks display this behavior. Ever heard of anatodophobia? It's the irrational fear that somewhere a duck or goose is watching you. Maybe those with this fear have it right. Ducks take special pleasure in picking on others. They live for it, and they take things to a new low. Not only do they bully each other, but they bully other species, including humans. If you raise ducks and note some are constantly losing feathers, or have mysterious bruises, or show an aversion to a particular duck, then you may have a bully on the playground. See, like how wolves have a hierarchy, ducks have a pecking order. Some ducks are more dominant and become leaders. The order is established by basically throwing hands, either in minor displays or full-out brawls, which include both males and females. Some male ducks fiercely love proving themselves, and unlike females, it's the males who cross species lines to pick on humans in an attempt to establish dominance over them. Monkeys. Same thing with dolphins. Monkeys are crazy smart. We share 98.8% of our DNA with chimps after all. When it comes to picking on others, monkeys do it just because they can. Studies have shown that given the chance, both male and female monkeys will turn into bullies. One instance at the Detroit Zoo found a staff removing all adult males because of their ferocious fighting. After that, another baboon started practically terrorizing its group. We're talking biting, snarling, and slapping. But this wasn't an adult male. After those were removed, the females grew equally, if not more, aggressive. One physically grew bigger. She grew more muscle even as she took on the mantle of being the head bully. Baboons aren't the only species to do so. Rhesus monkeys have complex interactions and hierarchies. They've even been likened to how humans behave at work. An incident had one monkey picking on another. Instead of fighting back or submitting to the bully, the poor monkey fled the scene, effectively losing the group's respect. His family and friends, the same monkeys he had grown up with, played with, and spent every day of his life with, jumped in on picking on him to the point that the scientists watching had to remove him from the enclosure.
Check out this video. It's specially selected for you. You'll like it.